The Federal Reserve, or simply the Fed, was established in 1913. Its mission? To create a stable financial system in the United States. Before the Fed, the U.S. economy was prone to wild fluctuations and bank panics. In fact, the country faced several major financial crises that sent shockwaves through the economy. To fix this, the U.S. government decided to create a central bank, giving birth to the Federal Reserve. The Fed's job is much more than printing money. It controls the money supply, keeps inflation in check, and promotes healthy economic growth. The most important tool it uses? Interest rates. By raising or lowering rates, the Fed influences how much money is circulating in the economy. When the economy is sluggish, the Fed lowers rates to make borrowing cheaper. This encourages people to spend, businesses to invest, and the economy to grow. But if inflation starts to rise too quickly, the Fed can raise rates to slow things down. The Federal Reserve also plays a crucial role in regulating the banking system. It ensures banks have enough money to cover withdrawals and loans, preventing financial collapse. And the Fed doesn't just focus on U.S. issues, it impacts the global economy. For instance, when the Fed makes major moves like changing interest rates, it affects currencies, trade, and investments worldwide. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. In 2008, during the global financial crisis, the Fed had to act fast. Banks were failing, markets were crashing, and the economy was on the brink. The Fed slashed interest rates to near zero and pumped trillions of dollars into the economy. It bought massive amounts of government bonds to stabilize markets and prevent a total collapse. Without the Fed's actions, the crisis could have been much worse. The Fed is unique because it operates independently from the government. This ensures that its decisions aren't swayed by political pressures, allowing it to make tough, long-term decisions. But while the Fed is independent, its decisions have a huge impact on everyone's daily life. From the cost of a mortgage to the prices at the grocery store, the Fed's actions are always at play. It controls the flow of money, and in turn, it controls the economy. In recent years, the Fed's role has come under more scrutiny. As the global economy faces challenges like inflation and pandemics, many wonder if the Fed can keep things under control. Will it be able to manage inflation? Can it prevent another financial meltdown? The future of the Federal Reserve will shape the path of America's economy and its place in the world. And that's the fascinating, ever-important role of the Federal Reserve.